What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video you are going to see how to see who shared your Instagram reel. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application, and in here just make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile. So as you can see, my account is a professional account and I have already posted a reel here. So let me just head over to this reel. So if I want to see who shared my reels, like here you can see there are 12 persons who shared my reels, I must make my account professional. Otherwise, Instagram will not let me see these insights. So once you're on the reel, just head over to the three dots icon on the upper right corner and then go to view insights. And here you will find the number of likes, comments, shares, and saved. And you will get a overall overview from here, view count, watch time, interactions, and profile activity too. So yeah, this is how you can just know who shared your reels on Instagram or your Instagram reels. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.